cooking Pancit Bihon. Garlic, vegetables, carrots and beans, chicken. Meron pa dito. But onions already sauteing. And yeah, coriander. I think I'm gonna cut more beans. Let's see. Yeah, this is my first time. This is gonna be my first time to cook. What you call this? Pancit. So let's see how it's gonna be. Oops. See how it's gonna be. Chicken pa. I think one more or two more. They said to saute the garlic, onions, and chicken. So I'm sauteing it until the chicken is cooked. Okay, sabi nila simmer it. I put water and 1 chicken cubes inside, and they said to simmer it for 15 minutes. And wala, mga 10 minutes pa lang, so may 5 minutes pa ako. Then I'll put the vegetables. So yeah, wala ako. Sayang, celery pala ilalagay dito. Wala akong celery, pero okay lang. I have beans and carrots, and now I put all the vegetables together, and I'm gonna simmer it maybe for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Let's see. And I'm gonna put later the coriander kapag tapos na lahat, kasi masarap ang coriander pag crunchy. So let's see. Wish me luck, guys. Sana masarap ang pancit ko. Okay, separated the vegetables already there, and now I'm cooking the bihon. I think madali itong maluto. See? Parang luto na yung bihon. Okay. Oh. Luto na yata. So, I'll put the next ingredients. Kulang yung bihon ko, guys. Oh, man. Okay lang. I think I nailed it. But let's see. Taste. Sarap, love. I think I nailed it. Very good. Yep, I nailed it. Yep. Coriander, ang dami. Ang sarap. Kala ko onte, pero Marami pala yung pagka nag-expand yung noodles, it's a lot. So, may pambaon ako bukas, may dinner today, may dinner si Robert, and may lunch, maybe may lunch shot for tomorrow, maybe. Let's see. Thumbs up. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. Yay! Thumbs up? Thumbs down? What you think? First time cooking Pancit Bihon. I think I nailed it. Yeah. It's so easy pala, guys. I will do this pretty often. I'll just buy bihon, coriander and stuff, and celery next time. I'll put celery. Guys, I'm telling you. First time ko nagpansit. And this is good.
Thanks. I like to make that for Pearl, but she's having a hard day.
Hopefully, my son will like this. Mahilig siya sa mga noodles. Pero, I don't know if he would like glass noodles. So, I'll let him try it later. And I'll show you guys how it went. Or how it goes. This is the third or fourth bowl ni Jaylon. Yummy? Yummy pancit? What are you eating?
Pancit.
Pancit. Say hello. Hello, everybody. Are you showing? No, there's an advertisement. He's liking it. I think this is his fourth plate already. Seems like he likes it. Did you like it? Do you like it? You're still eating it. So do you like it? Jeron, you like pancit? Yeah. Yummy? Yum yum? Yum. After eating 3 or 4 bowls of pancit.
Mama.
Show, what are you eating, baby?
Fish food.
Liverwurst broth. Liver spread with butter bread. Eh, nakapangatlo na niya yan. Or pang-apat. How many did you eat? 4 already, right? 4. Yeah, 4. How many did you eat? 4 bread already. Yeah, I know. We still have there. But you ate too much already today. Buti na lang, it's still 7. Not even 7. Buti na lang. If you eat very late, Jeron, you're gonna have nightmares again. Yeah. Grabe, kumain tong batang to. Yum, yum. Drink some water, na. Drink some water. Oh, okay, apple juice. Drink some apple juice. Jeron, water. Are you doing yoga? Picture yoga daw. Oh. Wow, you're doing yoga. Up and down again. Oh, good. Super. Okay, super. One hand up. One hand only. But okay. Say thank you for watching. Guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.